in this Ferris wheel.
Hi guys, and welcome on day number 2 of our family trip in Vienna.
We left the hotel already. We left the apartment already and went already for a little breakfast with everyone.
Yeah.
And now we decided we just will have a little look on the Prater here in Vienna. That's supposed to be the drink.
Yeah, it's really crazy.
I think it's not for me. And here is the famous Ferris wheel of Vienna. And if you want to have a little fun fact, when Simi and I met here the first time in Vienna, really the first time, we didn't know each other like in person, just via Skype. We met in Vienna, and in this Ferris wheel we like said, okay, let's try it, how it is with a long distance relationship, and we just try to be a couple, and we decided it up there. I kind of relationship proposed to her, so that was here. Pretty cool. You would like to go there?
I would love to go there.
But not with me. I'm not much an adrenaline junkie, I have to say. Not in this kind of way. But I have more fun when I'm just chillaxing to it. Looking how other people's bellies are turned around.
Oh, it's horrible.
What?
It's horrible.
It's super horrible.
I want to go on it.
Go, okay, you can go with it. I film you even from here.
You're with me.
Cutie, I will never go into this. They're coming. There's Simi. And now it's going down. Now they should stand here, brake. Very good! And how was it?
So amazing! The first time you go down, it's like wow!
And directly into the next attraction, the water ride. Simi just really loves that kind of things. I just never liked it. I don't know why. But sometimes you also just have to admit that you are afraid or you just don't like it, and then it's how it is, and you have to stand for yourself, and good. Let the others have the fun if they like it, and I can wait. There they are! Woo. Simi is having a little swim over here as well. And now they are completely up, and now comes the big one. 1, 2, 3, and... So now we got us a little ice cream, everyone has one, and we are just looking over the place, checking out a little bit what is going on here still, what is still here.
That's really like the worst one.
It's going.
It is the worst one, I think.
The thing is, I would sit like this.
I think the problem is that you're hanging on it. biggest roller coaster here. Wow, just to see it, that's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops and this huge thing. Unbelievable.
So after a little bit of thinking time, Simi and Patrick want to go on the 5 times looping roller coaster. So we will see. I will film like before. Are you sure?
No.
So Simi is already in. She went in here. They will go, I think, next. I will try to get them over here. So Patrick is already happy. Simi was just sitting in the seat, but I think she is just overwhelmed by the speed, so yeah.
It was amazing, but my head is a bit spinning.
Just been here in the wild rafting water roller coaster, if you want to call it like that, and I have to say it's cool that the elevator goes up here with the boats, with the little boats over there. Here's going the elevator up. And they hit you into the water stream, and we expected it to be a wild rafting, but it was more like it's turning and turning the whole way. It's just turning you around. Maybe we will slowly go into the city a little bit more, have a coffee, look a bit around. It's day number 2 already, and we are heading home also today in the middle of the night again. We go with the night train, so till 12 o'clock, till midnight, we can be here in Vienna still, can look a little bit around and just, yeah, enjoy our weekend here in Vienna. Bye bye Prater, bye bye Ferris wheel.
Danielle, are you looking forward to see cat coffee?
Yes.
Yay! She's like a cat person.
Yeah, it was quite surprising that we found here a cat coffee, so...
Yeah, she just asked for it like with a little solo, like, oh, Simi, maybe a cat coffee, maybe a little one. And then we really found it. So we are just going there.
And we will just see how many cats they have, some tigers maybe also. Even the coffees are cats. I don't know if you remember it, but I think we've been in Krakow, right?
Yeah, in Krakow.
Or was it Prague? No, it was in Krakow. We've been also to a cat cafe, and it was also quite nice.
Yeah.
But here they're really having also some special cats.
Yeah,
really, that one guy looks really like a lion.
Yeah.
And now we have to just quickly go to the Sacher hotel, because Simi's mom wants to have at least one Sacher cake in Vienna.
Yeah, and we have to already look for the time, because our train is going at midnight, but from Bratislava, and we still have to get from Vienna to Bratislava.
Exactly, that's around about 1 hour. So we have to go very soon already, so enjoy the last minutes now, cutie.
Yeah, Vienna. Oh, I love this city, I just love it. guys, we are sitting in the train already. So we are playing cards, we are going to Bratislava, and yeah, see you there. Bratislava!
We made it. It was quite stressy now in the end, but we made it. We are here. We are going now to our sleepy train. So we oversleep in the train.
Yeah, everybody was falling asleep in the train already.
Oh yeah.
And all of us, we are completely done and everything. I think it was a very successful and amazing trip.
Oh yeah.
And I loved it. It was like family. Something different for us.
Yeah, it was not so much about that we go around and see what we want to see. It's more about that we show them. The whole family have never been to Vienna, so it was really special.
We will go now to Košice, we will lie down in the train, we will sleep, and tomorrow I am working!
Exactly, so we arrive in the morning and we have to directly work, so we have to sleep. We hope you enjoyed it a tiny little bit, and follow us on Instagram.
Definitely, thank you guys.
See you very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Ahoj! Here's a nice view.